Mi gente, guys, when I tell you to install air filters, this is what happens because it gets filthy. You see all that dust? And that's all sawdust or sand dust from the sheetrock. Because they did construction here. You guys can see it's a brand new basement. Looks very nice. But what do you think happens if you don't put an air filter in your return grill? We have another one here. I'll show you guys. Look how filthy that is. All right. So what happens? I'm going to show you guys. Because when you go to the air handler, or in this case, the coil, notice that this is a coil on top of the furnace. There's a gas furnace with a coil on top. So that's the return on this side, on the right side. So it's sucking air through the return to the bottom of the furnace, up the furnace, into your coil. And guess what happened? It's an A coil. So on the bottom of that A coil, it's filthy. And look at this. It's very hard to get access to this actual coil. So that's why I would recommend, guys, do your preventive maintenance. It's very important. And also make sure you have an air filter, because if this is plugged up, you're not going to get the proper airflow, the proper pressures. You're going to be complaining it's not working. You got a lot of condensation, just a lot of problems. So guys, please do your preventive maintenance, and also make sure you have air filters in your return. Bye-bye.